But not only that, you can't catch from smoking, sharing a spliff. You can't catch herpes too.
Not even that they talk about, brother. If you say, man, the man cooler than that. Not even herpes when they worry about. Become like brother to pussy clot and find
But
out
me
say,
just
man,
tell you no.
years.
I tell you no.
But me not smoke with people in general.
You know smoke with it?
Yeah, man, alone. Who else? Nobody other than my cousin have something on him lip, I don't even want to smoke with him to pussy clot. Because I feel like he can't catch herpes on him lip. Me tell him, right now, if you know watch a video, you can't, you know for your fuck sake. Me can call him right now and say, boy, I didn't miss something on your lip and me have some herpes you have to pussy clot. Because, dog, me I tell you, yo, brother, to be honest, brother, sometimes, man, it's some things for some people, man, you have one, man. You mean topic right now still, man.
Herpes are dangerous things, isn't it?
Yo, I got tell you, man. I woke up, I book a umbre other day, you know. And a umbre say, umbre give me a look story. Story times I get in line. Umbre tell me, say, he book a girl. As he book the girl, so the girl whisper some things in her ears. So someone say, what was the thing the girl whisper in her ears that? I say, oh, when I'm 15, in bumbo clot. Seal to pussy clot. Seal up. Me say, hey, because I never talk upon the line, but me gonna talk instead. The girl say, if I'm 15, he HIV positive.
Huh? Girl tell her that.
Matter of fact, me rephrase. The girl say, if I'm 15, he slept with this guy with HIV positive. That was the guy. That's what the girl tell the man. Say that call me and I said, dog, where dog say, where advice? Where have you do with that? I said, dog, they have a thing called block. They have a thing called delete. They have a thing called recycle. You go in it, you block, you delete, you take it and recycle, you do it with blood clot.
It's an alkaline. Instant block and delete.
Yeah, man, you erase it. You get it away. You're mad to bumbo clot. You can't see girl slipping nigga HIV positive for the age of 15. And girl
how old she be now?
The girl say her bumbo clot body count at 80 blood clot 7. 87 her body count is.
So you can't surprise she have. But wait, she's have age from she have 15.
From she have 15, she slept with a guy who have HIV.
Yeah, and her body count. No, what? How old she be now?
Now she have around. I think the dog say she around 42 or
42.
42, 43.
And our body count at 87.
And our body count at 80.
So we are say approximately 80 people she sleep with after she have HIV.
Yes, man. So maybe all them 80% have HIV. If pussy clear, look. Hey, me tell you, no, socks up. Socks up.
Yes, sure, a true story.
A true story, God. Me can't call him man right blood clot now. God see me say a true bumbo clot story. Come show you the post. Because I follow the dog on Instagram now. I'm going to show you the post. Every day a post. This is what the person posts every day, brother. And the dog repost it over.
So the dog no black eye then?
The dog no black eye none time.
So you sure the dog no good there?
Why? No. Nothing so pussy clot. Because the way me cuss him and want him in
you sure is your dog or you sure are you?
Me sure you no good. God boss me you no good.
You sure you tell your dog story or you sure I know you at all?
Man nigga first of all I eat that nigga. Yeah boy nigga you're crazy. First of all if I book a girl and a girl tell me say me have AIDS. When I see him I book him he even can't get me number.
But for your boy must know him a long time for she confess that.
No man, he know the girl. He been going to the place a long time. You understand? And
become friends.
Somebody with me and you know, but we just can't call certain name over the line, over the video. Because I have a little circle with a little booby in Ireland.
So me know him too?
Yeah man, I know the little booby in Ireland, man.
Lord God.
And I can't believe so the man show me the pre to pussy class.
You see why me not sleep around anymore? Call me nerd. Me alright. Me have a one old foot. Go and check me once in a while. Me alright.
Alright, there you go, bro.
Mm.
There you go, dog. I tell her, dog, when the dog show me pre and show me the woman, I'm shocked.
Mm.
I'm shocked you fuck because seeing two different things. Hearing about the person and seeing the person, two different things.
Alright, since you're there on the one, let me ask you one
You
question.
see, if I drop the picture up on the Instagram.
No, you
right
can't,
now,
that's a crazy boy.
enough man with a fuck.
I did. But I guess she not kill it still because she wrap it up with, she make sure everybody wrap it up.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, because she can't go to jail, she can't go to prison.
Yeah.
A felony, you know, if you have
man.
HIV and spread, you know.
A big felony.